Hi students, we're just going to talk about cutting the dovetail and the finger joints. If you just want to follow me in here, please. So first of all, I'm going to use various tools. One is a marking out tool, which is a tri-square, as you can see here, and we're going to use a Tenon saw. Now when I'm using the Tenon saw, I'm going to use a pistol grip, and I'm going to use a triangular sawing method, which I showed you in an earlier video. So if you just want to come in here, and if you just focus in on this section here. Now, my actual cuts, when I'm cutting, I'm going to make sure that the line I'm cutting is at 90 degrees. It just makes it easy for me to cut, and I'm going to make sure that I cut on the waist side. So the actual kerf of the saw is on the actual waist. So you might just be able to see it better here on this side. If you just hop over. So the actual kerf of the saw, the set and the kerf, is actually cutting the waist rather than cutting the actual dovetail. So I've got various cuts here. I've got a cheek cut, which going with the grain, and I'm going to cut that straight down. I've got another cheek cut. I'm going to cut that with the Tenon saw, no problem. On the outsides, I've got cheek cuts there and there, and I can also use the Tenon saw to cut down that way. Obviously I'd turn it in the vise and I'd cut straight down. I've got one problem area though, and this is for when I'm cutting out this central area. I cannot use the Tenon saw to get in here, so I'll have to use a coping saw if you just want to pan out. So the coping saw, I'll have to keep the blade level as I cut it, and if you just want to look at me cut these few lines now. Thank you. If you just want to see me on this side, it probably looks better. Come on. Okay. So pistol gripped, and I'm cutting up the way first using my triangular sawing method. Then I go down the opposite side, checking it. Just if you want to focus on that. Staying inside the line. Good. Now I have to change the cut. Sure, I'm at 90 degrees to the cut, makes it easy for me. Very good. Go down again. Back down the other side. Nice and easy. Now I'm going to level it off because I'm going to keep the blade level in the coping saw. Just going to get the coping saw in there. And I'll just turn it about 1 or 2 millimeters from the shoulder of the joint. So 1 or 2 millimeters over, and I'm actually going to turn as I cut. I'm going to turn the frame from left to right as I cut. And I cut to the line. Make sure you keep the blade level with the table, and then you can't go wrong. Very good. And very easy to take out the last 2 cuts. I just cut straight down, and then I cut from the outside, and the exact opposite on the opposite side. Thank you.